Hello everyone, it's Colette, and for day 3 in my 12 Days of Christmas series, we're going to be working on this Arctic Whirlpool Water Marble. If you love nail art, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures. And if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with the base coat. Today I'm using Holo Taco's Peely Base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. For my base color today, I'm going to be using Orly Skystone, and then for the water marble, I'm going to be using Written in the Stars, Ascension, and Urban Landscape. Once I have the base color applied, I'm going to protect around my nails with liquid latex as well as tape. As usual for a water marble, I'm working in a 5-ounce paper cup filled with room temperature filtered water. Once the bullseye is complete, I'm going to draw out in 4 directions, then back in. Then I'm going to add a spiral. Once I've drawn the design, I'm going to go ahead and dip in my nails, and for this one I'm going to be dipping in my thumb and my index nail. I'm going to go ahead and remove any excess polish from the surface, and then I'm going to slowly pull out, remove the protection, and move on to the rest of my nails. once I'm done with the marbling, I'm going to use a Q-tip dipped in acetone for any larger areas as well as underneath the nail, and also any areas that may have forgotten to get latex applied to them. And then I'm going to be going in closer around the nail with my usual small brush dipped in acetone. Once cleanup is complete, I'm going to finish with a top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I really like how these turned out. I didn't really have much of a plan for this manicure. I just pulled some polishes and started testing, and these were very interesting because the design really looked a lot different depending on which base color I used, and I tested maybe half a dozen or so before settling on this teal. I do want to give you guys some flashlight time, and if you'd like to see that testing along with the extended tutorial, that's up now over on my VODs channel. Or if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/Colette MSLP. And if you'd like to support me here on YouTube, you can join the channel as a member for some perks like emoji. I'd love to hear what you think of this down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.